Okay, the first one will be material master, very important. And in this, we'll be studying what industry sector to configure, what material type to configure, and let's say chemical industry. Material type is field ROH, select use. In 26. Okay, this is how your material master will look. Okay, I'm just giving you uh, just an over, just a walkthrough. You don't know how to make it, doesn't matter. Domestic detergent, authorization group, basic data. So right now, service price. So, come on. No, guys, it's not responding. I guess it's slow, pretty slow. Okay, basic data. We have much, some more details to feed in, and purchasing will place the purchasing group. Material group is already there, and so on. Okay, this is material master. No, I don't want to save right now. This was material master. This we will see this once we configure this. Okay, material, and once the material master is done, we'll be going for purchase orders, or we'll be going for quotations, agreements, requisition, order. Then then we'll be going for release strategy. Okay, and then we will also configure goods movement, where we will receive the goods. Okay, let's see the material documents that have been created. Okay, and will also uh, create the invoices and clear invoices. Okay, and we'll clear the invoices, and we'll maintain GRIR accounts. So physical inventory, we'll see how physical inventory is counted. We'll also have a look at the MRP on the material level. Will be done with MM, and then we'll start with warehouse management. Okay, warehouse management is part of materials management again. So let's start with the configuration part. That's more important. For that, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and here we have every node for configuration for every module. Okay, for every module, for financial accounting, for costing, for logistics, sales, distribution, material management, logistics, transportation, production, and so on and so forth. Okay. So let's start with enterprise structure, where we will create a company. And company is always created under financial accounting umbrella. Define company, very important. So this is where companies are defined, new entries, and H49 Holo Industries. Holo H49 Queen Elizabeth Street, New York, Washington Port, City, Singapore, English currency will be USD. Now, this company is mother company. Save new H49 Holo Industries MMEW WM config bill Osama. So you can actually remember what is your company. Okay. Once this is done, we move to the next one. Company code. Now, what is a company code? A company code is the entity, the company that produces financial statements, that prepares financial statements like income statement, balance sheet. Mother company does not prepare it, it only supervises it. New entries, H49, company name, Holo Industries. City, Karachi, PK, currency, PKR, English, save. Country, PK, yes, save. Next is logistics, define valuation level. Valuation level or a valuation area is always a plant where material is valuated. Valuation means you actually place a value of a material that is at a plant. Now, plant can be a warehouse, it can be a factory, it can be a production floor, whatever. Define a plant. Define a plant. New entries. H49. Holo Industries. Holo H49. GB. Factory calendar is GB, Great Britain. Okay. PKIS. This is done. Location, very important. New entries, H49, Karachi. H49. PKIS. Your locations can be specific, like Korangi or F9 in Islamabad or I9 in Islamabad. So, but I'm actually using a generalized location, division. You can This is your task to make a division. What is the division? You will tell me in the next class. Material management, storage location. Because I have H49, my location is Karachi, so I'll make store location Karachi, or this can be Korangi, whatever, but I'll make it Karachi to make it more easier. Karachi. This can be a specific location like Bolton Market or Korangi or site area. Maintain purchasing organization. New entries. H49, same code. Holo, H49. Purchase or save. Okay. Once this is done, this was definition. We were just defining what a company is in SAP. Assignment, the same thing what we have defined, we will assign company code to company, to mother company. H49, same H49. And it says company currency is different from company code. It's just a warning in orange. Just press enter and it will be done. Save, save. Okay. Financial accounting, logistics, assigned plant to company code. New entries, H49, H49. Polo Industries. Save, save. I'll stop my lecture over here.